Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to find saved videos on YouTube. First thing first, open the YouTube app on your device. Now open any video you'd like to save for later. You can also search for a video using the bar at the top of the screen. Now below the video, tap Save, next to Share and Download. You can also download the video to watch it offline if available. Now return to the main screen of YouTube. Scroll down and tap on the library icon in the bottom right corner. Inside the library, you'll see two sections: Downloads, your offline videos, or Watch Later, all your saved videos. Just tap Watch Later. After that, you'll see all your saved videos. Tap only any video to start watching and YouTube will resume it from where you left off. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.